All right, so here's to showcase the investors flow. Investors also come to the platform to, just like every other person, create an account. And as an investor, I'll call this Valerie James, and VJ. This will be vj@gmail.com. Just go ahead and create an account. And as an investor, tell it I'm an investor, and then it takes me to tell me that my account is created successfully, and then I get to personalize my startup feed. And this is very important for investors so that they can see the fields that they are looking for, right? So, as an investor, first question he asks me here is, am I interested in tech products? If I can say I'm interested in non-tech, I can click the class of tech products that I am interested in. So can click on this, and then if I need to learn more details about what exactly this is about, I can click on this question mark which pops up and explain what this question is all about for me. All right, so the same thing once I'm done, it shows me my preferences here, and I can just select industry, the industry I'm interested in. Of course, you can be interested in more than one industry, so startup founders get to select all the industries that they are interested in from here, and from here they to proceed to the next stage. And then this is the startup stage. See an idea. Is this startup? Are you looking for startups in the idea stage, pre-seed stage, seed stage, early stage, growth stage, late stage? So you just get to select, and if you want to understand all that is all about, you can click on this, and then it gives you much information about that question, that particular field you're trying to read, and then you can go ahead and read more. It takes you out of part of the platform to probably an article outside. So I'm just doing a quick seed stage here. And once I do that, it shows me all the preferences so far. I'll go to the next page. So as much as I can, I'll click on all of these to just randomly select my choice as an investor, what I'm looking for. So customer size, equity, the percentage equity that I'm interested in, you know, depending on the amount I want to invest on. So just click on these and just proceed. And then this depends on the amount I want to invest, right? So let's see, making the startups there, and then team sizes that I'm looking for. Let's say teams are more than 10 and you have 11 to 15 years of experience. And once I'm done with that, I'll click done, and then that ends the entire customization. And then see, this is the startups we just added some minutes ago, right? Showing right on here, right? So we can filter with startup that has MVP and those that don't have MVP. So you click, of course, the one we just added now has MVP. That's why it's here, while others don't have MVP. They're here, right? So this is the one we just added now from Jude's G, and then you can also manipulate and change your interest here as a startup owner. I won't be doing that here, so I'll click on these, and then as a founder, I can see the new this particular startup. I can download the pitch. I can add it to my favorite. I can check the stats right for this particular startup. Right, this particular startup has an MVP. I can click to check out the MVP here. This is the amount they are asking for. This is the equity offering. And if I'm interested, I'll just click send a mail to indicate interest. For now, that's where we're ending the flow. So when you click on this, you just send a mail. We can always work on this in the future. This is just to showcase the structure. And then in the community, I can open this and see the room that this person created. I can click on the room and then just say something about, oh, I like your idea. I like your idea. I think you can improve on certain areas. I'll share with you briefly, right? And then I'll send that. Of course, the once I do that, the startup founder can see that from here. And I click on this, I can check the startup owner's profile, and I can add the startup to my favorites. So I can leave the chat room. So clicking on this is the startup owner, the person that just posted this. course, we have not added the profile picture. We didn't have the profile picture and the bio. That's why we have it empty here, right? In the first account we created, right? So I can leave this chat from here and then return back to this space. From here, go back to the home, and that's just the simple structure of how everything